is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make over 1,500 naira every single day with nothing but your WhatsApp account, right? A lot of us use WhatsApp for free, just to gist with friends, chat with friends, and all of that. But there's a website willing to pay you for using your WhatsApp account to create groups for its members, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how. I've actually accumulated some points over here, as you can see, just to show you payment proof. I'm going to reduce the brightness so you can really see what I'm talking about. So as you can see over here, I have over 2,000. I don't know if you can see that clearly. All right, guys. So as you can see over here on the screen, because I was trying to show you, I was trying to actually show you guys through the normal this symbols. It's too bright and it's contrasting with each other, the colors. But as you can see on the screen, I have over 2,130 points, which will amount to 750 plus 750, which is about 1,500 naira. 1,500 naira plus is what I'm going to be withdrawing right in front of you guys to show you guys that this is actually legit, right? So I'm just going to be showing you guys that quickly. Let me just withdraw now, and then I'll show you exactly how to do the same thing I did and get yourself some little money every single day. The best part is you must not be Nigerian, you must not be from any region. You can be anywhere in the world and make money. How? You can also withdraw in cryptocurrencies, right? Because cryptocurrencies are not dependent on nation or fiat and all of that. So let me just show you how to withdraw, how I'm going to withdraw in front of you guys in naira, right? So as you guys can see on my screen, I am on my account, right? If I just go over to account, you can see I have over 2,130 coins. So if I just click on account withdrawal, you can see this is my account number and all of that. I'm just gonna withdraw. You can see down here you can see down here the describe how many points and how much they are worth. 1,000 points is worth about 5 TRX, right? So that's crypto. Then 1,000 points is also worth approximately 750 naira, right? In naira now, where I'm from, right? So let's click on this withdraw. I'm just gonna enter amount. I will enter everything 2,130, right? 2,130. I'm gonna click on withdraw now. Please do not disclose your account information indiscriminately. The platform will not be responsible for losses incurred, right? Okay, no problem. Confirm. It says success, right? So I'm just gonna log in back here and show you guys exactly the account. I'm gonna show you guys the credit alert, every single thing once it gets here, right? So stay tuned for that. All right, guys. So basically, I am on my phone screen right now again. Basically what happened, right, when I placed the withdrawal around 12, as you can see over here, 2,130 naira, it did not actually go because I actually put the wrong withdrawal information, right? And then I placed it again around 5, as you can see here, around 5, and I actually went, and you can see this is the proof of the withdrawal. They actually came, and just like I said, 1,000 naira is the same thing as, sorry, 1,000 points is the same thing as 750 naira, and this is what came 1,500 naira, 750 plus 750, because I withdrew 2,000 points, right? So now, as you can see, or rather as you have seen withdrawal proof, as you have seen that this actually works, right? Now the next question is, how exactly can I do this, right? Like, how can I do this to make myself money using my WhatsApp accounts, right? So just sit tight. This is how you can also be able to do it for yourself, right? So but I actually need something from you. First of all, first things first, like the video, subscribe, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any future updates, because I know that there's going to be better ways of actually going about this, and so that you can be able to earn better, earn more, as long as this platform still exists, right? So with that said, first of all, you don't want to use your major number. Do not use your major WhatsApp line, because WhatsApp really does not like spam, and this actually technically looks kind of like spam, because you're going to be creating groups and adding people in the groups, and WhatsApp really does not like that, right? So how can you get over this? There are several skillful methods that have been developed by people over the weeks, over the months, as this platform has been paying, right? So I'm going to show you one of them that have been working really well for me. I used that same method 3 times yesterday, and that's how I withdrew this money right here that you're seeing, right? So now I want to show you exactly how it's done, right? So first of all, use my link in the description box below if you want to register for this, so that you can get extra 100 naira 100 points so that you can start. And then you as a new user, you can withdraw with just 1000 points, which is about 715 naira or 5 TRX, right? For existing users like us now, we our own minimum withdrawal is 2000. So enough of the talking, let's just get straight into it. Let me show you exactly how it's done. All right, so now on my screen you can see over here, if I go over to home, you can see that there's something called WhatsApp group tasks, right? Nothing like there's really nothing concerning us with WhatsApp message tasks because it doesn't really pay. So we're just gonna click on this start tasks, right? So we're just gonna click on start task. You're gonna see that there's a timer here, right? It's 30 minutes per task. So what we're gonna do is, what they're trying to tell us to do is that this entire numbers over here, we're gonna copy it, create a group, add them all, and then copy the link, paste it here, get paid, right? And we can then delete the group when we are done with that, right? So let me show you. Click on this download CVF, right? Click on download again, and it's downloaded, right? Click on open, and then contacts just once, and then you go over to phone, and now it is imported to your phone, right? So watch me carefully because they're going to ban your account if you don't watch me carefully and you don't do exactly what I am saying, right? So just watch me carefully and let's go, right? So now that is done, go over to WhatsApp. I actually froze my WhatsApp, so I'm just gonna unfreeze that. Let's do that. All right, so it's been unfrozen. I'm just gonna go over to WhatsApp. uh all right, this is WhatsApp. I'm just gonna get in. All right, so we are on WhatsApp, right? So now the thing is, we have to actually create a group and then import these people, right? So what we're going to do is come over here and then click on new group, right? New group. And then this new group, you can see these numbers that have a something something 1, a something something number 2, a something number 10, 11, 12, 13. All of that, those are the people we're going to be adding to this group, right? Watch me carefully so you don't get banned. Listen, watch me carefully, right? So now I'm just going to click on this people. We're going to make it really snappy. Okay, we have clicked on that first person, second, third. um the more numbers, the better, right? Like I said, don't use your main WhatsApp account. This is actually a risk I'm taking. Do not use your main WhatsApp account. But the reason why I'm willing to take this risk is because this is not my main WhatsApp account, right? This is not my main WhatsApp account, and this is the first time I'm actually doing this on this particular account, right? I've been banned before, like 3 times, and I know how to better secure myself so that I will not get banned again. Right? So watch me. And that is basically all, right? So we're just gonna click on this next, and we're gonna name the group anything. We can say money online, for example, money uh online, right? I'm going to click on the check button. Now this place is very, very crucial, very, very crucial. Click on this cancel. Do not click on invite to group, right? When they say couldn't add, click on cancel, right? So if you put invite to group, you're going to lose all your money, right? So basically what we're going to do here is going to copy this link and then go back to the website. Go back to the website here and paste the link and click on submit. And basically that's it, right? That's it. And we're going to watch them verify it, and you know then pay us. And immediately they pay us, we're going to be deleting every number, and you're going to be following my steps again, step by step, doing exactly what I'm doing so that you can get paid, right? You can see we still have that 142 balance. It's still in settlements. It's going to increase a little bit very soon. All right, so basically you can see over here 11 people were actually added, and this is how much I got, right? If I go back here, you can see that it increased from that 200 and something to 252. Not a lot of people actually joined the group, right? So basically this is what I'm going to do now. As I've gotten the money, I'm just going to come over here and delete all these people, right? So just watch me. I'm going to remove this, remove this person as well. All right, as you have seen, now I've removed everybody. Look at what I'm gonna do now, right? So I'm just gonna come over here and click on report group so that it look like I was not the one that nothing concerned me with whatever happened, right? So when you click on reports, you're gonna be exited, and that's all. That is basically all, right? So This is not really like the best way of actually making money online, but right now is actually a free way of making money online for yourself, especially for those of us that have several SIM cards and we don't really know what to do with them. We don't really use them. We don't use them for WhatsApp and all of that. We can do this. You can do it like after you do it now, you wait for like 1 2 hours. When the road, when everything is a bit calmer, then you do it again. Do it the same way I did it, like carefully, 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 and do not use your main WhatsApp account, right? So, and immediately you're done with that, go over to your files. We want to delete it, right? Don't leave it, don't let it be, because WhatsApp actually tracks down our stuff, right? Go over to your files, go over to documents, and then you can see it over here, right? Phone number, VCF, phone number VCF. You're gonna delete that, delete them all, delete all these phone number VCF files. You don't want them on your mobile, right? So once you delete them, that's all right. So basically, all you have to do now is just to go to contacts. All right, in contacts, you're going to delete all these numbers that start with A something something. Delete all of them, because there's nothing. We really don't have any concern with them anymore. Delete them, delete them, delete them. Okay, so we have selected all of them. We're just going to click on delete, delete all of them, so you don't have any problems anymore, right? And also, like I said from the beginning, like I've said, or like I'm gonna say in the ending, use my link, get 100 points status, right? Do not use your main WhatsApp account, right? Be careful, give it little time interval whenever you're doing tasks, and you should be all right. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll be willing to answer them. And yeah, this is just a sweet way of making recharge card money once in a while, once you have the time and all of that, just to avoid being banned and all of that. But imagine doing this every single day, just doing like three tasks, about three four tasks every single day. You're going to be earning about 1,500 every single day, right? Which is sweet. For me, it's a really sweet deal, right? For now that it's still paying, right? This is just basically the way you can actually make money here on this website using just your WhatsApp account, right? So if you did like that video, please leave a like, subscribe if you liked, if you want to see more, because I'm sure I'm gonna discover even better ways of going about this to make even much more money and all of that, right? So this is actually not typical, right? I'm not supposed to, like, normally I earn per that task now around 500 points, 600 points, but this particular time I don't know why it was 110 points. It's very 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 low compared to the normal way, the normal amounts we keep earning over here, right? So if you did like that video though, you want to see better videos about how to make money online in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, wherever you are in the world, subscribe, like the video. This channel is going to be documenting my entire financial journey from being a kid in his room, as you can see here, and hopefully very very soon we're going to be in a better place, right? I'm going to be dropping better content as we keep increasing and we keep getting better, right? Once again, use the link in my description box below, use the link in my comment section to get into this website, get 100 points for free, so that at least you can have a good foundation and you can start up, right? Even here there's actually a Telegram channel in case you have any questions. This one I'm rotating over here. You can come over there, join their Telegram channel, become active. You can ask them whatever questions you have. If there's any better way of doing things, you see it there first and all of that, and maybe before I even upload the video, you're gonna be one of the first people to actually know, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys, and I'll see you when I see you.